This beautiful truck is a 1958 GMC Suburban Carrier pickup. It's in Neptune green and has the fiberglass sides and the clear pine floor. This was a real bridge vehicle that got us towards the fancy pickups we have today. Before this period, pickups were very plain, utilitarian vehicles. This brought a sense of style to the pickup. Let's look at that hood. Look at that. This was very different because it was so fancy. Let's look at that interior. This is on display at the Pontiac Transportation Museum in Pontiac, Michigan, where vehicles that are associated with Pontiac or built in Pontiac like this are featured. This is a rare truck, one of only 46 produced in 1958.